Hey guys, what is up? It is the Jack Cat back, and today we're going to do a different video than what I've typically done for this channel. To get into the things, I wanted to do an unboxing video of my DJI 3 Mini. So it's the creator kit. It has 3 batteries, 3 extra batteries, a bag, and a bunch of extra stuff that would be really useful. And I waited for Amazon Prime Day to get it, as well as I think a DJI is getting banned in the United States. So not ideal, not ideal for drone hobbyists or people that are trying to get, because DJI probably has the best cameras and best like quality drones. I think just because current politics and trading instabilities, I think they're like phasing out, and there's some issues with the FAA, but I won't get into all that. If you're gonna get a DJI, I'd recommend getting it sooner rather than later, because this shipped from Singapore and went to China, and then in the next day they said it would take 2 months, but I got mine in a week, so it's really unknown and uncertain. So with that, I'm gonna change the camera so you can kind of see what I'm opening. Right out of the box, I don't know if you can see this. There's a scan QR code before first flight. I think I have to download the Fly app and maybe some tutorials. So it's got this nice bag, low key. It's I got the creator pack just so I could get this bag for ease of traveling. But yeah, let's open it up. All right, so I think this is the controller. These are the actual propellers. This is the actual drone. It's kind of smaller than I thought. I think these are the extra batteries. And yeah, that's pretty much it inside what's given. So, kind of like it, no frills. I'll start with the remote, see what's inside. So, right out the box, it's my hand. I kind of have big hands, but ergonomically it feels pretty good. It's missing, I might have to check what's in, it's missing the little joysticks. I'll double check on that, but it's a photo button. I'll definitely have to get used to how flying this, and I'm gonna have to do a test one. I was gonna fly today, but it looks like it's gonna storm pretty bad, so might have to hold off till tomorrow. But opening up the battery pack. So this was the Fly More deal. I think the third one is in there, but it takes USB-C charging, which is great because I have like a ton of cables for that. And yeah, so for a total of 3 of these, I can fly up to 130 minutes, which is great because just out of the box with the drone, I think it's only 34 minutes. So awesome to hear that. So in here, we got the instruction manual, which I'll probably have to read. Another instruction manual, the DJI app and all that stuff. I don't know if you can really see it. It's in Chinese, which is crazy. All right, charging cable, definitely important. I think this is the tower sticker. Definitely will put on my drone or anything really. Screwdriver for repair, I think for the propellers. Another charger, so that'll be fun. Hey Taco. All right, so let's open up the drone. I'm getting kind of worried because I don't see any joysticks for my controller. Maybe they're somewhere hidden. And I want to be extra careful with this so I don't puncture something. Ooh, all right, cool. So this is definitely, oh, I found the joysticks, but so I probably shouldn't start touching shit, but this is what it this is what it looks like out of the box, is the DJI 3 or Mini 3 drone, not the Pro, just the regular one. There's a bunch of camera stuff, if you can see inside. Really worried that I don't want to like mess anything up, but the reason I got this also, it's under 249 grams, or it's 249 grams. That's perfect for what I need. I'm not looking, I want something that's like something I can put in a little bag and travel with me on a plane or wherever. And I'm not looking to go crazy, but just something to have. It's the biggest thing. So I'll hopefully have a flying video soon. Hopefully everything works outside of the box. I'm gonna get started on reading the manuals, making sure I have everything. I did find the little joysticks, and I'm just gonna put it on here. See how one thing that I know it did not come with is a micro SD card, and for shooting 4K footage, I opted to get the 512 gigabyte. So it's like half a terabyte, which is insane to me. But I got this for like 30 bucks, and the whole package I got on deal for $500. So the mileage may vary depending on what deals you have and what kind of like gift cards or whatever for Amazon. But I got this on Amazon, came in a week, and yeah, it was pretty solid. Now that I have kind of unboxed it, I'm gonna go charge, read, make sure I'm doing everything right, and I might put some footage from either today or tomorrow. And at the end, I'm gonna give my honest thoughts and my initial thoughts, really. And hopefully this can be a really big benefit for the channel, and I can have better aerial photography, videography, and it'll just something cool I can get myself into.
Takeoff.
All right.
Point updated.
Alrighty, so now that I've had some time to fly my drone and see what I can do with it, I'm really impressed. The controls, the RC remote is very, very useful and intuitive, and it just auto connects to everything. And the DJI Fly app is pretty nice. I really, really like the auto launch feature, which is great because it just, you click a button, hold it, and then just flies up. I think that's like my biggest issue with flying RC drones or RC planes is like or RC helicopters is like the landing and takeoff, because it can kind of be dangerous, or it can you can like mess up your drone. But I really like the auto feature. It's really nice. And I really like the 3 modes that they have. It's the cinematic mode, which is slower, easier pan camera shots, mostly what I'm gonna be doing. The normal mode, so for what, like getting around, maneuvering, and then the fast sport mode, which you can go up to like 25 miles per hour in either direction. And it blew me away how fast I could go. This drone, it's in its full knockout state. I think in the earlier unboxing video, I didn't know what I was doing. I was able to unfold the arms. It's kind of light. It's under 250 grams. and has this little camera cover. But the DJI 3 mini drone is something I'm glad I've invested in, and I really hope that I can bring more cool aerial panoramic shots to my YouTube videos. I'll update you guys more with more drone footage, hopefully, in my videos. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and hopefully this could give you push you over the edge to maybe buy one, and buy one especially sooner rather than later. Thanks for watching. Peace.